Alrighty, so has anyone got any questions about the glacier before I tell you what's going to happen in the future? Any questions? Don't ask me about the boat motor.
65 years ago.
You mean the walls, how they slope down? That's the height it got to. There's no rhyme nor reason to it, really. It just... When you drive down Lake Aoraki on your way out of here, if you look over the far side of the lake, you've got the moraine wall on the other side. That's the boundary of the glacier on the far side. It just descends gently down like that, exactly like these walls do. So that's why there's no real reason for it. It just, because gravity brings the ice down like this, it does trend this way. Satisfactory? Not really satisfactory, is it?
It's satisfactory.
What was your question?
So it was just like the 65 years ago, it was up to that where the bank is now.
Yeah.
But before that, was it up
Higher.
where the mountains actually are?
Yeah, it was.
Yeah.
Yes, it was. It's been up higher on these mountains. These are the current moraine walls. The last time this glacier advanced was 300 years ago, and it pushed down. The wall at the end is where it ended. So it's only advanced one time since the big retreat 13,000 years ago to take it all the way back. So yeah, it's been up higher on these mountains here than these walls.